How to create an area network. You must first create an area network in order to share advertising on our social media platform. Let's get started. Log into your website. You can either go to the create ad that is on the welcome page. You do so right here. Or you can go to share and earn and click on advertising. And if you do that, any shares that you have running, we call them shares, any advertisements that you have running will be populated right here, and you can monitor them. There's none, and we just create advertising. When the page loads, this is the page where you create a network initially. I click here. Now, if you have already created a network, this is the page that you will land on. Well, hang on. Let's call this the United States and create the network. Now we have populated one network. It's called the United States, and there's no publishers in here yet. We want to next add publishers. Let's go here, and that will activate, let's go up a little, that will activate the search bar. Okay, we're going to do a search for United States. Now it's going to give us a lot of search results, but we want to click on here, and it will populate the audience here. It says wait, publishers are loading. It may take a minute or two to load because there are quite a few in the United States that have activated their social media site with our site. Now it has loaded. It has found this many people, targeting 1,389,852 friends. We want to move them over here. We can do so by clicking choose me individually on all of them, but you don't want to do that. You want to click add all publishers to my network. This will take a few seconds, so I will pause the video. Okay, that took about 2 minutes to load all of these into our network. Now we have 1,016 publishers targeting 1,386,074 friends. Here is who is in this network. These people here, we can delete these if we want to, and we'll have an empty network, or we can add more. Let's go and put more publishers in this network. For instance, if we wanted to publish to the United States and let's say Montreal, let's go here, click publisher, add publishers to this network. It will activate the search bar. We type in Montreal, and it gives us search results. There we go. Click there. It'll populate the publishers in here. Wait, publishers are loading, of course. And when they load, it has found this many, targeting 9,952 friends. We can add these individually by clicking here, or we can click add all publishers to my network here. Now it will bring these over here and put them in our network here when it loads. Okay, now let it populate. There we go. Now we have 1,026 publishers targeting over 1,396,000 friends. And we can control this. Let's say we want to change our mind and remove this one. We click here, and it will depopulate that from here. And when the page refreshes, we have this remaining as the only group we put in this area network called the United States. Now let's pretend that we're selling something for swimming. So we want to add publishers, activate the search bar, we type in swimming, and it gives us that interest. We click here, it's loading the publishers. Now if you'll notice, it has found 48 publishers that are targeting over 57,000 friends, and they are just swimming. Some are in Pakistan, Nigeria, United States, and Romania, and other places. If I want to add them to my network, I just go here and click, and it has added them to my publishers here, targeting over 1,414,000 friends. And let's pretend I want to add another network before I run this ad. I want to run an ad to, let's say, the state of Texas. Just click Add Network. It's going to ask me what to name it. Let's just call this the South. And create that area network. It'll populate it over here. And now it has it populated. We can add publishers to this, or we can go back and change our mind again and publish to the United States. Remember, these have no publishers here yet. You do not have any publishers, so let's go and add publishers. It'll highlight the search bar. Let's look for Texas. We click, well, there we go. If you'll notice, we have several cities in Texas that we can select from. We want to select Texas. This will give us the whole state. Wait, publishers are loading. And when it loads, it has found this many people targeting over 182,000 friends. Add these to my network. When it finishes, it has populated these to our network, and we can publish to this network now. The next video will show you how to publish to the networks. Look for the video titled How to Share Advertising to Social Media Using PennyPays. Okay, let's show you all the controls here. Let's say we want to remove this. We want to remove the whole network. We delete it. And now we're left with this network. We can work on it. We can publish to it. We can delete part of it. Or we can delete the entire network. Do so here. And that brings us back to the beginning page where you create a network, since there are no networks. We thank you for watching. Look for our next video, which shows you how to share advertising to social media. Thanks for watching.